Are you looking for a quick and effective way to relax before a speech? Look no further. We've done extensive research to bring you proven methods that are guaranteed to help you calm your nerves and speak with confidence. In this video, we'll be sharing our secret weapon for overcoming stage fright and giving you the tools you need to change your life with public speaking. Welcome to SpeakUP, your destination for mastering your fear public speaking. In this video, we'll be sharing our quick way to relax before a speech. It's a method that we've developed and perfected over the years, and we're excited to share it with you today. This quick way to relax before a speech is a combination of deep breathing exercises and visualization techniques. The first step is to take a deep breath and hold it for a count of 4. Then, exhale slowly for a count of 8. Repeat this for a few minutes before your speech. This helps to slow down your heart rate and calm your nerves. The second step is visualization. Close your eyes and imagine yourself giving a successful speech. See yourself walking confidently on stage, engaging with your audience and delivering your message with ease. This helps to build confidence and reduce anxiety. Since you made it this far, let's go deeper. When you're practicing deep breathing, make sure that you're breathing from your diaphragm and not your chest. This will help to oxygenate your body and reduce feelings of anxiety. Breathing from your chest may reproduce feelings of anxiety, so focus on your breath. When you're visualizing, make sure to focus on the details. See yourself walking confidently on stage, making eye contact with your audience, and delivering your speech with ease. Imagine the audience clapping and smiling, and how you feel after delivering a great speech. You can even visualize the audience members individually, which will help you feel more connected to them. By combining deep breathing exercises and visualization techniques, you can quickly and effectively relax before a speech. It's a simple yet powerful method that has helped us and our clients overcome stage fright and become confident speakers. Remember, the more you practice, the better you will get. So, give it a try before your next speech and see the difference for yourself. I hope you found this video helpful and that you'll give this quick way to relax before a speech a try. Remember, public speaking is a skill that can be learned, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel SpeakUP for more tips, strategies, and inspiration to help you overcome your fear of public speaking and become the confident speaker you were meant to be. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below. If you have any questions or would like to see more videos like this, let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.